Hi, it's Susan. Welcome back to my channel. I just have a quick giveaway announcement to make today. It is time to pick the giveaway winners for the Texture This video hop that I did with my design team just last week. And I said that I would pick at least one winner for every 50 comments. We had a lot of interaction on all the videos with all the members of the team, and I'm a little late in this, so I think I'm going to go ahead and pick 3 winners. The prizes for this giveaway are digital kits from my Etsy shop, which is called Poppiness. This is a digital item, which means you will download it and print out the kits. This is not a physical item that will be sent to you. So let's see who our winners are. We're going to get the comments and start the raffle and pick a random winner. Who do we have here? Winner, Mary Jones. Thank you again for a great learning video. I'm glad that you are learning things, Mary. So Mary Jones is one winner. I have to jot these down, I think. Of course, I wasn't prepared, right? Never quite prepared. Mary Jones. All right, let's pick another winner. And start. Dawn Erickson. Oh, and she just bought the mermaid kit, so awesome. Dawn Erickson, you are a winner. And we will do one more. Sherry Vanderpool. Sherry Vanderpool, you are a winner. All right, I will get this video posted so the winners can know who they are, and then contact them and hopefully get them kits that they will be excited to create with. That's all I have for you right now. I will see you next time. Bye for now.